All right. We'll continue with Igbo classes. Those of you who want to learn how to read Igbo, understand Igbo, and speak Igbo. All right. Okay. Look at this one. We are going to be looking at Ijuta ihe na-eme ntụziaka dị mfe Igbo. That is seeking information and giving of simple direction in Igbo language. Okay? Giving direction in Igbo language. That is Ijuta ase ihe n'ụzọ dị mfe, simple ways of seeking and obtaining information. Okay, to seek something from somebody, that is Ijuta mmadụ ase ihe, is to find solution to current problems. In Igbo land, there are so many ways one can seek help, advice, or information from somebody else in order to achieve one's particular goal. Onye ajụjụ anaghị efu ụzọ. That is, the person that loves to ask questions cannot miss road. Yes, that's what that means. Words that are used in seeking and obtaining information in Igbo language. Okay, look at the words you can use. You still have it in English there. Number one is ole, which is where. Take this. This one is very important. Ole, which is where. Biko, please. Kedu ebe, where is. I nwere ike, can you. Gosim, show me. Gosi anyị, show us. Kedu ụzọ esi aga, which is the way to. Achọrọ m ịhụ, I want to see. Kedu etu m ga-esi hụ, how can I see. Kedu ebe, where do. Kedu etu, how do. Onye, who. Yeah, so master these ones. I'll continue. And this one is, I have more. Say, gini, what? Ebe, where? Enwere m ike, can. Enwere m ike, can I? Okay, let's look at nrugosi ha n'ahịrịokwu. That are using them to form sentences. These things we have listed here, we want to use them to form sentences. Okay? The first one is ole ebe ụzọ apụrụ. Ole ebe ụzọ apụrụ. Where did this road get to? Second one. Biko tụziere m aka ụzọ esi eje ahịa Ariaria. Please direct me on how to go to Ariaria market. The next one is kedu ebe ha bi. Where do they live? The next one is I nwere ike iso m gaa ahịa. Can you follow me to the market? So from number 5, which is V, for number V now, I will read in English, you will translate I will read in Igbo, you will translate to English. I will read in Igbo, you will translate to English. All right. Number 5, which is V. Gosim ofisi. Okay, gosim ofisi onye isi ụlọ akwụkwọ. Gosim ofisi onye isi ụlọ akwụkwọ. The next one. Kedu ụzọ esi aga ebe obibi ụmụ akwụkwọ? Okay. The next one. Achọrọ m ịhụ onye isi ụmụ akwụkwọ. The next one. Kedu etu m ga-esi hụ onye nkuzi asụsụ Igbo unu? You can say it in English, there, read it. The next one. Kedu etu isi ere akwụkwọ a? The next one. Kedu ebe ibi? Good. I say it in English there. Read it. Onye mere ihe a? Okay. The next one. Gịnị mere? This one. Ebe ka ha gara? Okay. The next one. Enwere m ike ịbịa hụ gị na mgbede. Enwere m ike ịbịa hụ gị na mgbede. Okay, read it there in English. Can I come and see you in the evening? Mgbede means evening. Igbo calendar. Okay, now we look at ime ntụziaka dị mfe n'Igbo. That is simple direction. Ntụziaka means direction in English. Simple direction in Igbo. Direction, that is ntụziaka. Ntụziaka means direction. Giving somebody guide or direction. You can see this thing, okay? Direction is a point that a person or thing looks towards, especially on what to do, where to go, or how to do something. Giving direction, that is ime nduzi or ntụziaka, is helping somebody with information on how to locate somebody, something, or a place. In Igbo language, there are so many ways to give direction. Hence, there are questions. Therefore, the direction that is to be given is determined by the questions asked by the seeker. Yes, the direction you give to the person depends on the nature of the question the seeker asks. Now, this is what we'll be looking at here now. Number one is n'akụkụ, which means beside or by the side of. The next one, n'etiti, center, at the middle. The next one, n'ime or n'ime, that is inside. The next one, n'azụ, which is behind. The next one, n'ihu, which is at the front. The next one, aka nri, which is right. The next one, aka ekpe, which is left. I will read the next one, you read in English. I will read the next one in Igbo, you read in English. Okay, which is VIII. N'elu. Now read. N'ala. N'ụzọ. Laghachi azụ. Gaa ihu. Tụgharịa. Na mbido. Na ngwụcha. Chere or chekọtara ihu. Okay. Now we're going to use it to form sentence. That is ngosipụta ime ntụziaka na ahịrịokwu. Ahịrịokwu is sentence. That is using sentence to show direction. Ụlọ anyị, okay, number one, ụlọ anyị dị n'akụkụ ụlọ ụka ahụ. Our house is beside that church. Ụgbọala nke nọ n'etiti bụ nke ị ga-abanye. The vehicle you will enter is the one at the middle. Alright? We have to continue. We have so many examples here. Number 3, which is I. We have site n'ụzọ nke dị n'ime or n'ime banye. Site n'ụzọ nke dị n'ime or n'ime banye. You can say site n'ụzọ nke dị n'ime banye is okay, or you put n'ime. You cannot use n'ime and n'ime at the same time. Either you use n'ime or you use ime. Simple. So it means enter through the inner or inside door. The next one is ahịa eke ukwu dị n'azụ ụlọ ndị uwe ojii. Ahịa Eke Ukwu dị n'azụ ụlọ ndị uwe ojii. Eke Ukwu market is behind the police station. That is giving direction now. The next one is site n'ụzọ ahụ dị n'ihu ụlọakụ UBA. Ụlọakụ means bank. Go through the road that is at the front of UBA bank. Okay. So I want you to read these ones you are seeing from number. Okay, let me read from number VI to VIII. Then from IX, I will give you time to read both in English and both in Igbo and in English. Okay, let me read from VI. Ụlọ ebere ha chere ihu n'ụlọ akụ ahụ. Ụlọ ebere ha chere ihu n'ụlọ akụ ahụ. Ebere's house is opposite the bank. The next one. Irute n'ahịa ahụ, ị gaa n'aka nri. When you get to that market, you go right. Next one. Ụlọ Nneka ha dị n'aka ekpe n'ụzọ ahịa ahụ. Nneka's house is at the left by that market road. Okay, so number IX, just read it. I'll give you time. IX, be reading. Right, okay, let me shift this so you read the other ones. XI. Okay, thank you very much. Continue reading, giving you time. Okay. Read the XV, then I'll read the last one. I read the XIV, XV, I'll read the last one. Both the Igbo and the English. Okay, let me read the last one, then we'll shut down for today. Ụzọ ụlọ anyị. Okay, the last one. Ụzọ ụlọ anyị dị na ngwụcha ụzọ ahịa ahụ. Ụzọ ụlọ anyị dị na ngwụcha ụzọ ahịa ahụ. The way to our house is at the end of that market road. Alright, thank you very much. This is where we'll call it a day. Thank you very much for your time.